In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fade an image to transparent in Canva. This is a super useful trick if you are designing presentations, social media posts, thumbnails, or any kind of graphic where you want images to blend smoothly into the background instead of looking harsh or distracting. The best part is that this works directly inside Canva with no extra tools needed. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Log into your Canva account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the Canva home screen, you have two options. You can either click on Create to start a brand new design, or you can open an existing project that you're already working on. For this demonstration, we'll create a new project so you can follow along step by step. After clicking Create, Canva will ask you to choose a design type. You can pick anything here, depending on your needs, but for this example, I'll select a presentation format. This gives us a clean canvas to work with and makes the effect easy to see. Once your design opens, head over to the left side menu and click on Uploads. This is where all your previously uploaded images are stored. If you already have an image uploaded, you can simply click on it to add it to your canvas. If not, click on Upload Files and choose an image from your computer. As soon as the image is uploaded, click on it once to place it onto your design. Now here's the key step. Make sure the image is selected on the canvas. When it's selected, look at the top toolbar. You'll see an icon that looks like a checkerboard or grid. This is the transparency option. Click on that icon to open the transparency controls. You'll now see a slider that lets you adjust how transparent the image is. Drag the slider to the left to make the image more transparent, or to the right to make it more solid. As you move the slider, you'll see the image fade in real time. If you want precise control, you can also click on the number next to the slider and type in an exact transparency value. This is perfect if you want consistent fading across multiple images in your design. Adjust the transparency until you're happy with how the image blends into the background. And just like that, you've successfully faded your image to transparent in Canva. This technique is great for creating subtle backgrounds, overlay effects, or professional-looking designs that don't overpower your text. Once you're done, you can continue editing your design, add text or elements, and then download or share your project as usual. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips, tricks, and easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.